In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return on Dhgate 2025 step by step. If something you bought on Dhgate isn't right, this guide will walk you through what to do so you can get your refund smoothly and avoid common mistakes. Start by checking whether your order qualifies for a return or refund. Go to My Orders, then open the order details for the item. You're generally eligible if the item arrived damaged, isn't as described, you received the wrong item, the package never arrived, or the quality is unacceptable. Before you move forward, make sure your buyer protection is still active. If that timer has expired, your options can be limited, so act as soon as you notice an issue. If there's a problem, do not click Confirm Delivery. Confirming delivery can release the payment to the seller and make it harder to get your money back. Keep the order open while you resolve the issue. Next, open a dispute. In My Orders, select the affected order and click Open Dispute. You'll choose either refund only, which is best when you don't need to send anything back, or return and refund, which you should select only if the seller specifically requests a return and the platform approves it. Pick the reason that fits your situation, such as not as described, damaged, or wrong item, and upload clear photos or short videos that show the problem. Include shots of the packaging and labels if relevant. Submit the dispute to officially start the process. After submitting, communicate with the seller through Dhgate's message system. They may offer a partial refund, a replacement, or a full refund. Keep all discussion on the platform so everything is documented, and don't accept side deals outside Dhgate. If the seller asks you to return the item, only ship it back once the dispute shows return and refund approved and you've received the return address and instructions within Dhgate. Use tracked shipping, keep the receipt and tracking number, and upload the tracking details to the dispute page. Be aware that return shipping is usually paid by the buyer unless the seller agrees otherwise. If you and the seller can't reach an agreement, Dhgate will step in, review the evidence, and make a final decision. This typically takes 3 to 7 business days once they begin the review. When your refund is approved, the money will be sent back to your original payment method or to your Dhgate wallet. Depending on what you used, processing can take 3 to 15 business days based on your bank or provider. Keep an eye on your messages and the dispute page until everything is complete.